Gurubhyo Namaha. From 21. Purayamasa Garupo Nija Gantasvarina cha. Samasta Daitya Sainyanam Nija Tejovada Vidahina. We finished up to that, no? Tatasimho Mahanatais Tyajitebha Mahamadaihi. Tyajita is a word, okay? Tyajita means causing the elephants to like run helter-skelter. So Tatasimho Mahanadais Tyajitebha Mahamadaihi. Purayamasa gaganam gam. Tathaiva disho dashaha. Purayamasa gaganam gam. Tathaiva disho dashaha. Tatasimho Mahanadais Tyajiteba Mahamadaihi. Purayamasa gaganam gam tathaiva disho dasha.
Tatasimho Mahanadais Tyajiteba Mahamadaihi. Purayamasa gaganam gam tathaiva disho dasha. Tatasimho Mahanadais Tyajiteba Mahamadaihi. Purayamasa gaganam gam tathaiva disho dasha.
Tatha Kali Samutpatya Gaganam Shmamatadayat. Shma means that earth. Not Shama. Shma means earth. Okay? From the earth she moves up. Gaganam. Tatha Kali, that is what, like, there's so much of noise around everywhere. So the Kali, what she does is, she beats the earth. Shmamamat Thatayat Karabhyam. With her hand she hits the floor and she rises up. It is like that. Okay? She hits the floor and she rises up. Karabhyam tan. So that sound drowns all the other sounds. Tirohita means drowning, hiding. Okay? Tirodhana, now Tirodhana means hiding. So Tirohita means Tatha Kali Samutpatya Gaganam Shmamatadayat. Karabhyam tanninadena Praksvanaste tirohitaha. Karabhyam tanninadena Praksvanaste tirohitaha. you can say that all the noise were drowned by that. All got silenced also because Tirohita can, like, hidden or concealing her probably not the sound they never expected. Suddenly, like, you become silent when unexpected thing happens in front of them. Tatha khali samutpatya gaganam kshmamatadayat karabhyam tannidnadena praksvanaste tirohitaha.
ततःकाली समुत्पत्य गगनं श्मामताडयत् कराभ्यां तन्निनादेन प्राक्स्वनास्ते तिरोहिताः. ततःकाली समुत्पत्य गगनं श्मामताडयत् कराभ्यां तन्निनादेन प्राक्स्वनास्ते तिरोहिताः.
अट्टाट्टहासमशिवम् शिवधूति चकारः अट्टाट्टहासमशिवम् शिवधूति चकारः So first Simhanadam, which dispelled all the elephants, and the second is Kali, the way she banged the earth and she lifted that sound, and Attattahasam Ashivam Shivaduti, she was like, laughing violently, like, it is not even, you cannot call it as roaring, but laughing violently. So the three people they have mentioned. Now, the main three who are taking part along with Chandika are the three people. First Shimha and Kali and Shivaduti. Tai Shabdhairasuraastresu Shumbhakopam param yayau Tai Shabdhairasuraastresu Shumbhakopam param yayu. Attattahasam Shivaduti Chakaraha Tai Shabdhairasuraastresu Shumbhakopam param yayau.
Shivaduti Chakaraha Tai Shabdhairasuraastresu Shumbhakopam param yayau.
Duratmam stishtatishteti Vyajaharambika yada. So Nishumba is now unconscious, he's fainted. And Shumba, when he heard all these sounds, his anger grew up. So he wanted to come to fight Ambika. Ambika says, stop, you Duratmana, you stop. Tishta tishtedi, stop. Don't come towards me to kill me or something. I mean, she says, stop. She's asking him to stop, to coming towards her. So when the Deva, you know what the celestials have the habit of, like, praising the moment. So the way, like, Ambika reacted to Shumba, they got the confidence that she is the one who is going to kill him. So they were so happy. So from wherever they were, the celestials in the heaven, they started clapping for her, or Jayet Gosham. That is what the next line is. Duratmam stishta tishteti vyajaharambika yada.
Duratmam stishta tishteti vyajaharambika yada. Duratmam stishta tishteti vyajaharambika yada.
Tada jayetya vihitam.
Tada jayetya vihitam. Tada jayetya vihitam.
Devairākāsha samstitaihi.
Devairākāsha samstitaihi. Devairākāsha samstitaihi.
So they started Jaya Gosham even before the battle started, actually, between Ambal and Shumba. Tadha jayetya vihitam devairākāsha samstitaihi.
Tada jayetya vihitam. Devairākāsha samstitaihi. Tada jayetya vihitam. Devairākāsha samstitaihi.
Duratmam stishta tishteti vyajaharambika yada. Tada jayetya vihitam devairākāsha samstitaihi.
Vyajaharambika yada. Tada jayetya vihitam. Devairākāsha samstitaihi. Duratmam stishta tishteti vyajaharambika yada. Tada jayetya vihitam. Devairākāsha samstitaihi.
Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir.
Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir. Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir.
Mukta jvalati bhishana.
Mukta jvalati bhishana. Mukta jvalati bhishana.
Shumba throws Shakti means that sphere with fire in front. So he is throwing it at Amba. Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana.
Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana. Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana.
Ambal is inside the fortress of fire, Vahani Kota. We have seen it in Lalitambika also. So the fire cannot penetrate this Vahani Kota. That is what they are saying. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha.
Ayanti Vahni Kothabha. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha.
Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
Sani Rasta Maholkaya. Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
Ayanti Vahni Kothabha. Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
Ayanti Vahni Kothabha. Sani Rasta Maholkaya. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha. Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
So when it got closer to that Vahani Kota, it lost its power. The Agni of in the Shulam, that sphere. Shakti, not the Shulam. Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha Sani Rasta Maholkaya. Shumbhenāghatya ya shaktir mukta jvalati bhishana. Ayanti Vahni Kothabha Sani Rasta Maholkaya.
Simhanādena Sumbhasya.
Simhanādena शुम्भस्य
व्याप्तं लोकत्रयान्तरम्
व्याप्तं लोकत्रयान्तरम् व्याप्तं लोकत्रयान्तरम्.
So on seeing his Shakti disappearing like that, he makes like a lion, he roars, which actually covers the entire 3 lokas. Okay, Shumbas. Okay, Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram.
Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram. Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram.
Nirghada Nisvano Goro.
Nirghada Nisvano Goro. Nirghada Nisvano Goro.
Jitavanavani-pate.
Jitavanavani-pate. Jitavanavani-pate.
Avani-pate, that is Jitavan, Avani-pate. So when it is said together, it is said as Jitavan Avani-pate. Okay? Avani-pate is the king. The Rishi is addressing the king. Avani-pate. The Rishi is addressing the king. Nirghadanisvanatu. That is the one I have to say, no? Together. Nirghadanisvano goro jitavanavani-pate.
Nirghadanisvano goro jitavanavani-pate. Nirghadanisvano goro jitavanavani-pate.
Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram. Nirghata Nisvano Ghoro Jitavanavani-pate.
Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram. Nirghata Nisvano Goro Jitavanavani-pate. Simhanadena Shumbasya Vyaptam Lokatrayantaram. Nirghata Nisvano Goro Jitavanavani-pate.
Even the echo of his sound was creating so much of fear in the battlefield. Shumba Muktan Charan Devi.
Shumba Muktan Charan Devi. Shumba Muktan Charan Devi.
Charan Devi.
Charan Devi.
Because Shara, it is actually Shara. Shumba Muktaha. Sharan Devi. Shara means arrows. Sharan, when they say many arrows, it is plural, many arrows. Okay. Shumba aims volley of arrows at Ambal. Ambal actually attacks him back with the arrows. That is what. Shumba Muktan Charan Devi. Shumbasthat Prahidan Charan.
Shumba Muktan Charan Devi. Shumbasthat Prahidan Charan. Shumba Muktan Charan Devi. Shumbasthat Prahidan Charan.
Shumba Muktan Charan Devi. Shumbasthat Prahidan. Prahitan Charan. So he is sending volley of arrows and she is answering him with volley of arrows again. What happens? Her arrows broke all his arrows, hundreds and thousands. It is not Sadasho Sahasrasaha. So hundreds and thousands of arrows. It is not one or few. That is why, Sharan, they have mentioned it in plural. Chichedasva Sharairugrai.
Chichedasva Sharairugrai. Chichedasva Sharairugrai.
Shatashotha Sahasrashah.
Shatashotha Sahasrashah. Shatashotha Sahasrashah.
So hundreds and thousands means once when they aim, how many arrows comes out of that? No? Chichedasva sharaitrughrais shatashodha sahasrashah.
चिच्छेदस्वशरैरुग्रै शतशोतसहस्रशः चिच्छेदस्वशरैरुग्रै शतशोतसहस्रशः
Shumbhamuktancharan devi Shumbhastatprahitancharan Chichedasva sharaitrughrais tat shatashodha sahasrashah.
शुम्भमुताञ्चरान् देवी शुम्भस्तत्प्रहिताञ्चरान् चिच्छेदस्वशरैरुग्रै शतशोतसहस्रशः
Now Chandika, okay, say it again.
शुम्भमुक्ताञ्चरान् देवी शुम्भस्तत्प्रहिताञ्चरान् चिच्छेदस्वशरैरुग्रै शतशोतसहस्रशः.
Now Chandika gets angry and aims her shulam at him, and it goes and hits him and he faints. Okay? He faints. Murchito. Not, he didn't die. Murchito. He is fainted. Tatasa Chandika Kruddha.
ततस्सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा ततस्सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा
Shulena Vijaganatam.
शूलेनाभिजगानतम्
Tatasa Chandika Kruddha Shulena Vijaganatam.
ततस्सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा शूलेनाभिजगानतम् ततस्सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा शूलेनाभिजगानतम्
Satada Bihato Bhumau.
सतदा विहतो भूमौ सतदा विहतो भूमौ
Murchito Nipapataha.
मूर्छितो निपपातः मूर्छितो निपपातः
Satada Bihato Bhumau. Murchito Nipapataha.
सतदा विहतो भूमौ मूर्छितो निपपातः सतदा विहतो भूमौ मूर्छितो निपपातः.
Okay. There first Nishumbha has already fainted. Okay. Now Shumbha is also fainted. Then we will see what happens next. Before that we will recite this once. You were asking no that day one faints or why other one comes. Yeah. What happens like in Shumbha, as I told you, is so many things that we have the possessions of. Whereas Shumbha is the ego. Whereas all the things that we possess actually boost our ego. So ego can get hurt at some point of a time in our life, but something else you think about. See, for this thing, somebody like our ego can get hurt in so many ways when someone demeans you or someone talks ill about you, and you feel what your immediate thoughts, what do you get it when somebody hurts you? How can he or she hurt my ego? I am this person. I have done this. I have achieved this. I am so educated. This thing comes up, no? Don't you feel? Where the point is. Nishumbha denotes all the things that we possess, whereas Shumbha is the ego. All the things that we possess actually keep boosting our ego, feeding our ego. In one of the things, if we are hurt, the ego is hurt, there is also always another thing that comes back to tell us, well, how can they do it? If this is gone, I am like this, I can always get up and come back and fight back. That kind of a thought comes to us even normally when you think about it. I was just thinking, like, when that question was in my head, why this thing happened? Like, because if say for a matter like you lose all your wealth, you had pride about your wealth, whatever you have. I have so many houses, or I have so much of money, I have so many things. All those things you have, you are so proud about your wealth, so you feel you are superior. Suddenly one day wealth vanishes. Some people can go astray. Then immediately what do you think? I have my education. One fails, another thing is there to feed your ego. I have my education. Let anything go. I will get back wherever I was. If one of the things that feeds your ego fails, there is always something else that gives it more energy to again climb up. This is exactly what is happening here. When something is hurt, when you lose something, ego still pushes itself to find its place. When ego is also gets hurt, something else that you have, that comes up again. Till that time, when everything that you possess get vanished, your ego cannot be vanquished. This is exactly what the equation is. Got it? I hope I explained it. Okay, anyhow, I will explain more on Thursday. Okay. Tatas simho mahanadais yajite bhamahamadaihi purayamasa gaganam gam tathaiva disho dasha tathakali samutpatya gaganam shmamatadayat karabhyam tanninadena प्राक्स्वनास्ते तिरोहिताः अट्टाट्टहासमशिवं शिवदूती चकारः तैः शब्दैरसुरैस्त्रेषु शुम्भः कोपं परं ययौ दुरात्मं तिष्ठतिष्ठेति व्याजहाराम्बिका यदा तदा जयेत्यभिहितम् देवैराकाशसंस्थितैः शुम्भेनागत्य या शक्तिर्मुक्ता ज्वालातिभीषणा आयान्ति वह्निकोटाभा सा निरस्ता महोल्कया सिंहनादेन शुम्भस्य व्याप्तं लोकत्रयान्तरं निर्गादनिस्वनो घोरो जितवानवनीपते शुम्भमुक्ताञ्चरान् देवी शुम्भस्तत्प्रहिताञ्चरान् चिच्चेदस्वशरैरुग्रैः शतशोतसहस्रशः सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा शूलेनाभिजगानदम् स तदा विहतो भूमौ मूर्छितो निपपातः. So now Nishimba has to get up now, because both of them cannot be fainted, no? Both of them at the same time. One has to come now. Tato Nishumbas samprapya Chetana Mata Karmukah. So as soon as he gains consciousness, immediately he takes his bow. Karmukha means bow. His bow, he reaches out to his bow and takes it in his hand. Okay. Tato nishumbas samprapya chetana mata karmukah.
Tato nishumbas samprapya chetana mata karmukah. Tato nishumbas samprapya chetana mata karmukah.
Ajagana sharair-devim Kalim kesarinam tatha.
Kalim kesarinam tatha.
Ajagana sharair-devim Kalim kesarinam tatha.
Ajagana sharair-devim Kalim kesarinam tatha. Ajagana sharair-devim Kalim kesarinam tatha.
So he takes hold of his bow and he starts firing these arrows towards Kali. Devi and Kesari means lion. All the three of them are. Tato nishumbas samprapya chetanamattakarmukah ajaghana sharair devim kalim kesarinam tata.
Tato nishumbas samprapya chetanamattakarmukah ajaghana sharair devim kalim kesarinam tata. Tato nishumbas samprapya chetanamattakarmukah ajagana sharair devim kalim kesarinam tata.
What happened? He then creates 10,000 hands for himself. Ayutham, Bahun Ayutham. Ayutham means Ayutham, Bahunam Ayutham. Ayutham means 10,000, Bahu means hands. So he creates for himself 10,000 hands, and from the 10,000 hands, 10,000 discus, chakra, he aims at Devi. Nishumba. Okay. Now we are seeing only Nishumba. Okay. Punaschakrutva bahunam ayutam danujeshwaraha. No, I didn't split it and say, no. Punaschakrutva bahunam.
Punaschakrutva bahunam.
Ayutam danujeshwaraha. Punaschakrutva bahunam ayutam danujeshwaraha.
Punaschakrutva bahunam ayutam danujeshwaraha. Punaschakrutva bahunam ayutam danujeshwaraha.
So when you are saying bahunam ayutam, you can say together. Okay, ayutam I said because that is how it is. It has to be split. Ayutam means 10,000. So ayutam, because to split and learn, that is okay. But when you are saying punaschakrutva bahunam ayutam janudeshwaraha, you can say it like that. Okay. Chakra yudhena didijas.
Chakra yudhena didijas. Chakra yudhena didijas.
Diti is his mother's name. So Didijas is Diti's son. Okay. Chakra yudhena didijas.
Chakra yudhena didijas. Chakra yudhena didijas.
Chadayamasa chandikam.
Chadayamasa chandikam. Chadayamasa chandikam.
Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam.
Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam. Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam.
Punaschakrutva bahunam ayudam danujeshwaraha. Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam.
Punaschakrutva bahunam ayudam danujeshwaraha. Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam. Punaschakrutva bahunam ayudam danujeshwaraha. Chakra yudhena didijas chadayamasa chandikam.
Tato bhagavati kruddha.
Tato bhagavati kruddha. Tato bhagavati kruddha.
Durga durgartinashini.
Durga durgartinashini. Durga durgartinashini.
Durga, she got her name because she destroys all your sorrows. That is the reason she is called Durga. So Durga durgartinashini. She is called Durga. Tatho bhagavati kruddha Durga durgartinashini.
Tato bhagavati kruddha Durga durgartinashini. Tato bhagavati kruddha Durga durgartinashini.
Chichedatani chakrani.
Chichedatani chakrani. Chichedatani chakrani.
Swasharai sayakamschatan.
Swasharai sayakam सायकांश्चतान् स्वशरैः सायकांश्चतान्.
So she destroys all the 10,000 discs that is flying towards her with her swasharai, so with her arrows. Sayakai is also arrows. Sayakai is also arrows. Sayakai also can mean weapons, other weapons. Okay. Chichedatani chakrani shvasarai sayakamschatan.
Chichedatani chakrani swashare sayakanshatan. Chichedatani chakrani swashare sayakanshatan.
Tato bhagavati kruddha durga durgartinashini. Chichedatani chakrani swasharai sayakamschatan.
Tato bhagavati kruddha durga durgartinashini. Chichedatani chakrani swashare sayakanshatan. Tato bhagavati kruddha durga durgartinashini. Chichedatani chakrani swashare sayakanshatan.
So his disc and all gone, now he is taking gada in his hand, okay? And he is rushing towards Anga, surrounded by all the demon, other Rakshasas. His battle, he is in the battle and his, all the Daitya Sena, all his Sena actually is surrounded by his own Sena. He is rushing towards Ambika to attack her with the gada. Abhyada no tato nishumbho vegena
Tato nishumbho vegena
gata madhaya chandikam
gada madhaya chandikam
tato nishumbho vegena gada madhaya chandikam
Tato nishumbho vegena gada madhaya chandikam. Tato nishumbho vegena gada madhaya chandikam.
abhyadavada vaihantum
Abhyadavata vaihantum
daitya sena samavritah
Daityasena samavritah
abhyadavada vaihantum daitya sena samavritah
Abhyadavata vaihantum Daityasena samavritah Abhyadavata vaihantum Daityasena samavritah
tato nishumbho vegena gada madhaya chandikam abhyadavada vaihantum daitya sena samavritah
Tato nishumbho vegena
gada madhaya chandikam abhyadavada vaihantum daitya sena samavritah
Tato nishumbho vegena gada madhaya chandikam abhyadavata vaihantum daityasena samavritah.
Devi destroys it with her khatgam sword. Okay? And then she takes the shula next in her hand. Tasya padata evashu
Tasya padata evashu
gatam chicheda chandika
gadam chicheda chandika
tasya padata evashu gatam chicheda chandika
Tasya padata evashu gadam chicheda chandika Tasya padata evashu gadam chicheda chandika
khadgena shitadharena
Khadgena shitadharena
sacha shulam samadade
Sacha shulam samadade
khadgena shitadharena sacha shulam samadade
Khadgena shitadharena शितधारेण स च शूलं
Repeat
समाददे
it.
खड्गेन शितधारेण स च शूलं समाददे
Tasya padata evashu gadam chicheda chandika kadghena shitadharena sacha shulam samadade.
तस्यापतत एवाशु गदां चिच्चेद चण्डिका खड्गेन शितधारेण स च शूलं समाददे तस्यापतत एवाशु गदां चिच्चेद चण्डिका खड्गेन शितधारेण स च शूलं समाददे.
So she immediately takes her shulam and she pierces it through his heart. And in such so quickly she reacted. She didn't give time for Nishumbha to take another weapon. So as soon as his gada got completely split into two, she takes the shulam immediately because he has come very close by, so she takes the shulam and pierces it through his heart. That is what Hrudi Vivyada. So I have not made it up. Hrudi Vivyada they have said. Shulahastam samayantam.
Shulahastam samayantam. Shulahastam samayantam.
Nishumbam amarardhanam.
Nishumbam amarardhanam. Nishumbam amarardhanam.
Amarardhanam is the enemy of the celestials. Okay, Nishumbha is the enemy of the celestials. Nishumbam amarardhanam. Shulahastam samayantam. Nishumbam amarardhanam.
Shulahastam samayantam. Nishumbam amarardhanam. Shulahastam samayantam. Nishumbam amarardhanam.
Hrudi vivyada shulena. Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika.
Vega vidhena chandika. Vega vidhena chandika.
Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika.
Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika. Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika.
Shulahastam tamay samayantam nishumbam amarardhanam. Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika.
Shulahastam samayantam nishumbam amarardhanam. Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika. Shulahastam samayantam nishumbam amarardhanam.
Hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika. So from the open wound, open heart, another small fellow is coming out. Like you have seen it in Mahishasura Vadham also. Like even after he was killed or with the shulam only she did it, and one person emerges from his wound, and immediately she Sirachicheda only, that is she severs his head. So in the same way, the ego, it is so difficult to completely destroy it. At some point of a time it shows his heads up. Somewhere. Ego cannot be so easily destroyed. That is here we are seeing things where ego has gone out of hand. Like you become so demonish person. I mean, they are all closer to human beings, so they have really become demonish because of their ego. So, Binnasya tasya shulena.
Binnasya tasya shulena. Binnasya tasya shulena.
Hridayan nisrutho paraha.
Hridayan nisrutho paraha. Hridayan nisrutho paraha.
Binnasya tasya shulena hridaya nisruto varaha.
भिन्नस्य तस्य शूलेन हृदया निसृतो परः भिन्नस्य तस्य शूलेन हृदया निसृतो परः.
So this Veera, he comes out of his wound from his heart and he says stop, tishteti. Okay, tishta means stop, understand that. Okay, Mahabalo Mahaviryas.
Mahabalo Mahaviryas
Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan. Vinnasya tasya shulena hridaya nisruto varaha. Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
Vinnasya tasya shulena hridaya nisruto varaha. Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan. Vinnasya tasya shulena hridaya nisruto varaha. Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan.
We will recite this passage, okay? Tato nishumbas samprapya chetanamattakarmukaha ajagana sharair devim kyalim kesharinam tatha punascha krutva bahunam ayudam damujeshwaraha chakrayudena didichas chadayamasa chandikam. Tato Bhagavati Kruddha Durga Durgatinashini Chichedatani Chakrani Swasharai Sayakamshchadan. Tato Nishumbho Vegena Gadamadaya Chandikam Abhyadavata Vaihantum Daityasena Samavritaha. Tasya patata evashu gadam chicheda chandika kadgena shitadharena sacha shulam samadate shulahastam samayantam nishumbamamarardhanam hrudi vivyada shulena vega vidhena chandika. Vinnasya tasya shulena hridaya nisruto varaha. Mahabalo Mahaviryas Tishteti Purusho Vadan. So Devi now laughs. Look at his ego is still not completely gone. Tasya nishkramato Devi.
Tasya nishkramato Devi. Tasya nishkramato Devi.
Prahasya svanavattataha.
Prahasya svanavastataha. Prahasya svanavastataha.
Prahasya means hasya. She laughed. Prahasya. So she takes her sword and chicheda. Shiras chicheda. So she severs his head.
First in the heart.
No, first in the heart, Nishumbha. From Nishumba's heart, one Veera emerges and he's saying stop, looking at Devi and saying stop.
Who?
One Veera emerges from, one person emerges from his heart where the wound was, he emerges from his heart and looking at Nishumba is already down and out. Okay, so it is only only for this small person that emerged from the heart. Okay. Shiras chicheda khadghena.
Shiras chicheda khadghena. Shiras chicheda khadghena.
Tato savapadat bhuvi.
Tato savapadat bhuvi. Tato savapadat bhuvi.
Shiras chicheda khadghena tato savapathat bhuvi.
Shiraschicheda kadgena tato savapatad bhuvi. Shiraschicheda kadgena tato savapatad bhuvi.
So he also falls down on earth. Okay. Tasya nishkramato devi prahasya svanavattataha shiraschicheda khadghena tato savapadat bhuvi.
Tasya nishkramato devi prahasya svanavattataha shiraschicheda khadgena tato savapatad bhuvi. Tasya nishkramato devi prahasya svanavattataha shiraschicheda khadgena tato savapatad bhuvi.
Now we have seen Devi fighting singularly with Nishumbha, and the battle was between what the others were doing. At the same time, there are so many Matas and others were also there. No? So they were having their own battles there. So first they are talking about Simha, and then Shivaduti, Kali and Shivaduti, and other Kaumari, Vaishnavi, all those people also come. What they were doing when Devi was fighting Nishumbha. When the battle was happening between Shumba, Nishumba and Devi, what these Matas were doing. Okay. Tata simhas chakhodhogram chakha. Sorry. Tata simhas chakhodhogram.
Tata simhas chakhodogram. Tata simhas chakhodogram.
Damshrakshunna shirodharan.
Damshrakshunna shirodharan. Damshrakshunna shirodharan.
So, whoever this lion has killed with his fangs, no, hit and killed them, he was just biting their heads. Damshrakshunna shirodharan, all the heads, whatever he has killed. Lion first. Lion, whoever it has killed, he was eating their head. Damshra means pal, tooth. Damsha chunna, so crushing them in between the teeth. Tata simha chakhadogram damsha chunna shirodharan.
Tata simhas chakhadogram damshrakshunna shirodharan. Tata simhas chakhadogram damshrakshunna shirodharan.
So it is better to read it in Sanskrit than not knowing the meaning, the gory details. Asuram stams tatha kali.
Asuram stams tatha kali. Asuram stams tatha kali.
Shivadhuti tatha paran.
Shivaduti tatha paran. Shivaduti tatha paran.
So Kali and Shivaduti also all having bhakshanam there. Whoever they have killed, they are eating them up. Asuram stams tatha kali Shivaduti tatha paran.
Asuram stams tatha kali Shivaduti tatha paran. Asuram stams tatha kali Shivaduti tatha paran.
Tata simhas chakhadogram damshra chunna shirodharan. Asuram stams tatha kali Shivadhuti tatha paran.
Tata simhas chakhadogram damshrakshunna shirodharan. Asuram stams tatha kali Shivaduti tatha paran. Tata simhas chakhadogram damshrakshunna shirodharan. Asuram stams
Tatha kali Shivadhuti tatha paran. So Kaumari was battling with her Shakti, like that sphere, and killing Asuras. And Brahmani, very soft way of doing it. Toyena, with her water sprinkling on the Asuras, she was just like, making them like Lilliputs, reducing their size. So they are like, very safe way of killing.
Non-violent.
Non-violent way of killing. Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna.
Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna.
Kechinneshur Mahasuraha.
Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha.
Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha.
Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna.
Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Brahmani Mantra Putena.
Brahmani Mantra Putena. Brahmani Mantra Putena.
Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
Toye Nanye Nirakritaha. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha. Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha. Kaumari Shakti Nirbhinna. Kechinneshur Mahasuraha. Brahmani Mantra Putena. Toye Nanye Nirakritaha.
So Maheshwari has got Trishulam in her hand. So she was killing people, killing the Rakshasas with a Shulam, while Varahi with her snout in the front. She is like Churnika Krita, like powdered them, Churnika Krita, crushed them to dust with her snout. Maheshwari Trishulena.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Maheshwari Trishulena.
Bhinna Petustatha Pare.
Bhinna Petustatha Pare. Bhinna Petustatha
Bhinna Petustatha Pare. There is that visarga thing. Bhinna Petustatha Pare.
Bhinna Petustatha Pare. Bhinna Petustatha Pare.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Bhinna Petustatha Pare.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Bhinna Petustatha Pare. Maheshwari Trishulena.
Bhinna Petustatha Pare. Varahi Tundagathena.
Varahi Tundagathena. Varahi Tundagathena.
Kechit Chorni Krutha Bhuvi.
Kechit Churnikrita Bhuvi. Kechit Churnikrita Bhuvi.
Varahi Tundagathena. Kechit Chorni Krutha Bhuvi.
Varahi Tundagathena.
Kechit Chorni Krutha Bhuvi. Varahi Tundagathena. Kechit Chorni Krutha Bhuvi. So Vaishnavi with her chakra, the discus that she has, Khandam made them into pieces. Khandam cha chakrena.
Khandam cha chakrena. Khandam cha chakrena.
Vaishnavya Danava Kruthaha.
Vaishnavya Danava Krutaha. Vaishnavya Danava Krutaha.
Khandam cha chakrena. Vaishnavya Danava Kruthaha.
Khandam cha chakrena. Vaishnavya Danava Krutaha. खण्डं खण्डं च चक्रेण वैष्णव्या दानवा कृताः.
Maindri has got Vajrayudham in her hand. So with that she was killing lot of asuras. Vajrena chaindri hastagra
वज्रेण चैन्द्री हस्ताग्र वज्रेण चैन्द्री हस्ताग्र
vimuktena tatha pare.
विमुक्तेन तथा परे विमुक्तेन तथा परे
Vajrena chaindri hastagra vimuktena tatha pare.
वज्रेण चैन्द्री हस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन
Hastagra, not agra. Hastagra.
वज्रेण चैन्द्री
Hastagra vimuktena tatha pare. Vajrena chaindri hastagra vimuktena tatha pare. Khandam khandam cha chakrena vaishnavya danava krutaha. Vajrena chaindri hastagra vimuktena tatha pare.
खण्डं खण्डं च चक्रेण वैष्णव्या दानवा कृताः वज्रेण चैन्द्रिहस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन तथा परे खण्डं खण्डं च चक्रेण वैष्णव्या दानवा कृताः.
See, dhanavah krutaha. That visargam is there. So even like because when I am saying continuously, you are not able to dhanavah krutavaha. Instead of saying aha, say ha. Okay, dhanavah krutaha. Vaishnavya danava krutaha. Vajrena chaindri hastagra. You can take a break that point with your pencil. You can mark it if you want. Vajrena chaindri hastagra vimuktena tatha pare.
वज्रेण चैन्द्रिहस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन तथा परे वज्रेण चैन्द्रिहस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन तथा परे.
So the last only one line is there. We'll finish it and then we'll decide. So some asuras ran off from the field. Some asuras got killed. So those who got killed, they all had bhaksha. That Sivadhuti, Mrigha, Kali, everybody had. Bhakshidas Chapari Kali. Kechid Vineshu Rasuraha.
केचिद् विनेषु रसुराः केचिद् विनेषु रसुराः
केचिन्नष्टा महाहवात् केचिन्नष्टा महाहवात्
केचिन्नष्टा महाहवात् केचिन्नष्टा महाहवात्.
So some people got killed. Vineshu Rasura, some people got killed. Kechinnashta mahahavat, then some people ran off from the battlefield. Okay. Kechid Vineshu Rasuraha Kechinnashta mahahavat.
केचिद् विनेषु रसुराः
Kechinnashta mahahavat. Kechid
विनेषु रसुराः
Kechid Vineshu Rasura.
केचिद् विनेषु रसुराः केचिन्नष्टा महाहवात्.
Kechid Vineshu Rasura Kechinnashta mahahavat. Bhakshitāścāpare Kali.
भक्षिताश्चापरे काली भक्षिताश्चापरे काली
Shivadhuti Mrigadivaihi.
शिवदूती मृगाधिपैः शिवदूती मृगाधिपैः
Bhakshitāścāpare Kali. Shivadhuti Mrigadivaihi.
भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवदूती मृगाधिपैः भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवदूती मृगाधिपैः.
Kechid Vineshu Rasuraha Kechinnashta mahahavat. Bhakshitāścāpare Kali. शिवधूति मृगादिपैः. No problem. केचिद्विनेशुरसुराः केचिन्नष्टा महाहवाद् भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवधूति मृगादिपैः. विनेशुरसुराः केचिन्नष्टा महाहवाद् भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवधूति मृगादिपैः. ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये निशुम्भो वधो नाम नवमोऽध्यायः. We will recite the last part and then recite whatever we have learned today. Okay. तस्य निष्क्रामतो देवी प्रहस्य स्वनवर्ततः शिरश्चिच्छेद खड्गेन ततो सावपदद्भुवि तदसिंहश्चखादोग्रं दंष्ट्राक्षुण्णशिरोधरान् असुरांस्तांस्तथा काली शिवधूति तथा परान्. कौमारी शक्तिनिर्भिन्नाः केचिन्नेषुर्महासुराः ब्रह्माणि मन्त्रपूतेन तोये नान्ये निराकृताः. माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन भिन्नाः पेतुस्तथा परे वाराही तुण्डघातेन केचिच्चूर्णीकृता भुवि. खण्डं खण्डं च चक्रेण वैष्णव्या दानवाकृताः वज्रेण चैन्द्रीहस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन तथा परे. केचिद्विनेशुरसुराः केचिन्नष्टा महाहवाद् भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवधूति मृगादिपैः. ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये निशुम्भवधो नाम नवमोऽध्यायः. From 21, one time we will recite. ततः सिंहो महानादैस्त्याजितेव महामदैः पूरयामास गगनं गां तथैव दिशो दश. ततः काली समुत्पत्य गगनं क्ष्मामताडयत् कराभ्यां तन्निनादेन प्राक्स्वनास्ते तिरोहिताः. अट्टाट्टः समशिवं शिवधूति चकारः तैः शब्दैरसुरास्त्रेषु शुम्भः कोपं परं ययौ. दुरात्मं तिष्ठतिष्ठेति व्याजहाराम्बिका यदा तदा जयेत्यभिहितं देवैराकाशसंस्थितैः. शुम्भेनागत्य या शक्तिर्मुक्ता ज्वालातिभीषणा आयान्तिवह्निकोडाभा सा निरस्ता महोल्गया. सिंहनादेन शुम्भस्य व्याप्तं लोकत्रयान्तरं निर्गादनिस्वनो घोरो जिदमानवनीपते. शुम्भमुक्ताञ्चरान् देवी शुम्भस्तत्प्रहिताञ्चरान् चिच्चेदस्वशरैरुग्रैः शतशोथसहस्रशः. ततः सा चण्डिका क्रुद्धा शूलेनाभिजगानदम् स तदा विहतो भूमौ मूर्छितो निपपातः. मातकार्मुकः आजगान शरैर्देवीं कालीं केसरिणं तथा पुनश्च कृत्वा बाहूनामयुधं धनुजेश्वरः चक्रायुधेन दितिचश्चादयामास चण्डिकां. ततो भगवती क्रुद्धा दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिनाशिनी चिच्चेदचानि चक्राणि शुशरैः सायकंश्च दान् ततो निशुम्भो वेगेन गदामादाय चण्डिकाम् अभ्यधावत वैहन्तुम् दैत्यसेना समावृतः तस्या पततयेवाशु गदाम् चिच्चेद चण्डिका खड्गेन शितधारेण स च शूलम् समाददे शूलहस्तम् समायान्तम् निशुम्भममरार्धनम् हृदि विव्याधशूलेन वेगाविद्धेन चण्डिका भिन्नस्य तस्य शूलेन हृदयान्निसृतो परः महाबलो महावीर्यस्तिष्ठेदि पुरुषो वदन् तस्य निष्क्रामतो देवी प्रहस्य स्वनवत्ततः शिरश्चिच्चेद खड्गेन ततो सावपतद्भुवि ततः सिंहश्च खादोग्रम् दंष्ट्राक्षुण्णशिरोधरान् असुरांस्तांस्तथा काली शिवदूती तथा परान् कौमारी शक्तिनिर्भिन्ना केचिन्नेषुर्महासुराः ब्रह्माणि मन्त्रभूतेन तोये नान्ये निराकृताः माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन भिन्नाः पेतुस्तथा परे वाराही तुण्डघातेन केचिच्चूर्णीकृता भुवि खण्डम् खण्डम् च चक्रेण वैष्णव्या दानवा कृताः वज्रेण चैन्द्रीहस्ताग्र विमुक्तेन तथा परे केचिद्विनेषुरसुराः केचिन्नष्टा महाहवाद् भक्षिताश्चापरे काली शिवदूती मृगादिवैः ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेयपुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये निशुम्भवधो नाम नवमोऽध्यायः।